Kwanda izinsolo ngo-IEC ekubalweni kwamavoti angesiwo kodwa kube kubonakala enye inamba.
Parties, particularly the economic freedom fighters, which you speak of. There's a case at a VD which they have noted. I'm going to just pan and ask my camera colleague Nduduzo Shandu to show us what the economic freedom fighters are doing at this moment, and perhaps if you can talk to us about this discrepancy that you have raised in relation to this VD.
Hi artists, and thank you very much to your viewers. What we have found out is that in one of the voting stations which are in Overstrand, we found that our votes are not captured correctly. We took a picture. A party agent, we requested them to take a picture, which on the picture, the voting slip says we received 156 votes.
Can we see that picture?
Well, not a problem.
So the economic freedom fighters, Michelle, are not the only ones that have lodged a complaint with the IEC. We know that Umkhonto Wesizwe is also saying and alleging that this particular incident in question by the economic freedom fighters is not an isolated incident. They're saying that they've also lodged a complaint with the IEC. So let's find out what the complaint is with the EFF.
Okay, cool. So here, this is the picture that we took, or the party agent of the EFF took. You can clearly see there it is 156 votes, because before you leave your voting station, you need to get an opportunity to take a picture. You signed it and then you leave. That is your proof that we have done the work. And then now we are here at the center. This is your national ballot. This is your national results that we're able to view sitting here. Let us do a quick search now. So it's 986-60025. So 986-60025. So type it again here. 986-60025. 25. 980, no? Do that.
Don't be nervous, take your time. There are complaints that have been raised with the IEC. The Western Cape, I'm sure, is not the only province. We've seen people complaining about some of these processes.
So now we've searched with that same VVD number. This is scanned. It was should be the same as the one that we took on the pic. Look, this is the one.
So the signatures are the same.
The signature is the same. So the one is the proper one when you get with the picture. Look at that one. That is totally different. Now I'm sitting at home. I want to check what we've received as the EFF on the IEC website. So you type in the same VD number of 980-60025. You search on that. Look what EFF got. This is what is captured on the system. 5,600 votes of the EFF gone.
Now, the important question then is, have you lodged an official complaint? Because there is a deadline that the IEC has set for any member of the public, independent candidate, organization, or even a political party to lodge complaints and objections.
Now, what is fortunate for us, we've got IEC management here. We've approached, I think his name is Michael Hendricks. We've approached him and showed him the pictures, exactly what we are showing you. This is the issue that we're picking up. You wanted to brush it off? No, it's not much of a thing. We'll look into it. The question that we asked, how many other hundreds are gone? And then there is a formal process where you can log all your objections, the email address. We've also sent that email. So we've given to him personally via his WhatsApp and spoke to him. We have also sent the email to the objection email address. So we shall wait for the response. However, we must record it, Oganye put on record. We searched another voting station, which this one is here in Cape Town, where the ANC got 901 or 901 votes. When you check on the system, they've got over 1,000 and something votes. So now, clearly something is cooking. Depends on which VD you are at, which area you are at, and then now the question stands, where are those votes going to, and how many of those votes have we lost in the EFF?
My name is Benjamin Masala, and I'm a provincial member of MK in the Western Cape Province. Yesterday, in Ward 11 in Tulba, one of the party agents reported to me that after the voting was conducted, they discovered that our party only received 0 votes. And when they confronted the IEC personnel, suddenly we have 20 votes at the very same station. According to me, this is totally wrong, and that's why I'm of the view that the incident of the economic freedom fighters can't be seen in isolation. There's a deliberate act that certain individuals in the IEC, within the IEC, want to commit fraud.
Have you raised this with the IEC in the Western Cape?
I've already lodged a claim with the IEC yesterday.
But what is the preliminary response to you?
They didn't respond yet on my my claim that I raised yesterday.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.